These fresh sugpo go straight into a hot kawa, oil bubbling as they hit the surface, instantly starting that loud, satisfying sizzle. As they arrive, the shells turn bright orange, locking in the pieces while building a light crisp on the outside. Then comes the sili, piled in generously, releasing heat and aroma that blends into the oil, coating every prawn with spicy, savory flavor. The smell alone is intense, garlicky, smoky, and full of fire. Served straight from the pan and eaten hot, this becomes a full Lutong-bayan experience, simple, bold, and built for real appetite. Paired with rice and dipped in sausawan, every bite hits with crunch, spice, and that natural sweetness of fresh shrimp. Whether you're sharing or going all in, Pritong Sugpo na maraming sili brings that classic Filipino energy, maanghang, masarap, at hindi tinipid. This is sea to stomach with heat turned all the way up.
Kain. Kain po. Baru kain. Kain. Ulan.